friends, it's Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have some bookish mysteries to uncover, so let's get to it. So starting with my Bookshelf Thomasville subscription, again, this is from Bookshelf in Georgia. And I love getting the subscription just because it's so fun to have a mystery, not knowing what book is coming my way. And I have loved every book that I have read so far that has come from Bookshelf Thomasville. And I haven't read them all yet, but everyone that I have read, I have loved. So I kept on getting it. I don't know how much longer I will. Let's see what we get. All right. Hey, Amy, the Great Doom is coming, and it is exactly what Gussy and her grandfather, the town's protectors, have always trained for. The only problem is Gussy's grandfather has been called away from the town in an emergency, and now Gussy has to step up to handle things all on her own. She's got big shoes to fill, many people to keep safe on the very first night the rules are being tested. This is an adventure that is sure to stick with you. If you like monstrous devices, you'll love this month's pick. I have no idea what this is. There it is. Chosen by Olivia. Let's see. A Big Nate bookmark. That's always fun. Gussy by Jimmy Cajoleas. Being a village protector is a big job, but Grandpa Widow makes it look easy. As he performs the daily magical rites that keep the village safe from the Great Doom, Gussy and her dog Cricket follow along, learning the ropes so Gussy can become a protector herself one day. Then Grandpa Widow is suddenly called away, and Gussy has to step up before she feels ready. On her very first night in charge, a mysterious newcomer arrives in search of shelter, forcing Gussy to break the #1 rule of being a protector. When the sun goes down, keep the gates shut. But not everything in Gussy's village is what it appears to be, and as the Great Doom makes its presence known and all the villagers turn to Gussy for help, Gussy will have to turn to some surprising allies to save the only home she's ever known. I have never heard of this. Okay, this is the author. Ooh, there we go. I've never heard of him before. All right. Very cool. I mean, sounds very fantastical. Not totally up my street, but this could be really good. There you go. That is my Bookshelf Thomasville subscription. All right, and next I have my Books and Treasures box. Books and Treasures is a used book subscription, and it always comes with a lot of wonderful treasures. So let's see. Oh, we have red and green tissue paper. Oh, okay, that looks adorable. Find the card. Holly Jolly. Have a happy holiday by cozying up with a new book. Happy reading, Sarah and Eric from Books and Treasures. I just love that it comes with a handwritten card. And like, that's a lot to expect from a business, but it just feels so nice. I just love it. All right, so I always get the coffee. So we have hot maple, chocolate hazelnut cream, and cinnamon. Nice. I'm gonna like those. Oh, I cannot with how cute this is. Look at, oh, This is so cute. It's a crocheted, right? Yeah, that's crocheted bobble. Oh gosh. Oh, it's like a little. I mean, this is the size that I like when I crochet. I've never made it in this as an ornament before. That's adorable. But I would use this as a coaster. I don't know if that's because this could also be an ornament, like an actual ornament on the tree, too. Deo Dazzling Creations from Etsy. Nice. What's next? It's like Christmas. Okay. Oh, look it. Well, you can't look at it until I turn it to you. Look it. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Look at this ornament. Oh, that is gorgeous. It's like wood. Oh my gosh, I can't. That's so pretty. Now I know why there was so much tissue around it. Extra padding. All right, let's see what this is. Ooh. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Oh, I think this is going to be a candle. Oh. Gingerbread. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, no, not done. Oh. There's a good spot for that. Okay. And mug. Do I like this font? All right. We have Happy Holidays. That's a really adorable font. It looks very festive. It's a nice size. Okay. And the book. Okay. First of all, look at the adorableness of this snowman. I almost thought it was a penguin. I don't know why. It's so cute. Oh, Christmas trees. So pretty. All right. All right. And we have Auggie and Me. 3 Wonder Stories. I love Wonder. I really liked Whitebird. The Julian chapter, this made me cry. This was attached to my copy of Wonder, the Julian chapter. Oh my goodness. Pluto. Shingling. I don't remember these. I know I read this. This will be a good one to have a second copy in my classroom because they often will grab Wonder and Auggie and Me when they just need something light and fluffy that they love and they want to reread. And so this is a good one to have more than one copy in my classroom. So this will be good. I love Wonder. All right, so the new books heading into my classroom are Auggie and Me and Gussy. Very exciting. Have you heard of Gussy? I am a little bit shocked that I've never heard of this. I usually feel more up on what is coming out, but I haven't heard this one. I also didn't hear about last month's either. So, have you heard of Gussy? I would love to know your thoughts on that. This is beautiful. I love this color scheme. Oh. Have you read Wonder? Have you read Auggie and Me? I just love these stories. They just tug right on your heartstrings. Let me know what you think of Wonder. I hope you're finding wonderful things to read. And until next time, happy reading. Bye. Today, I have some Bookish